UQ, Oral Health Centre. Has some 5500s with really weird fixtures.
Going up.
5500s.
Closing.
It looks like it has really odd fixtures for 5500s. This brakes allowed.
Floor 7. Doors opening. Elevator is going down. Doors closing.
Maintained by TK, of course. 1600 kilograms, 21 persons. Lift 149. Wow.
Floor 1. Doors opening.
I think the shelf lights are on.
Doors closing.
Yeah.
Doors closing.
Here's the cab. Nice cab, actually.
Floor 7. Doors opening. Doors closing.
I haven't had to like brakes that loud on these before. Kind of interesting.
Floor 4.
Look, even has D series speakers.